How to pause video recording on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pause video recording on iPhone. So as all iPhone users know, you can't actually pause a video recording on the built-in camera app within the phone that is pre-installed. So since it is not a built-in function to the camera app we have on the iPhone, we need to download a third-party app from the App Store right here. So just go ahead and open up your App Store, and you can search for Camera Pause, and it will present some of the apps right here. But I tried this app called Video Cam Plus, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this particular app right here. So I'm just going to go back to the pages, and the camera page should be on the first page as you open the app, and make sure that you have given access to your camera and your microphone so that you will be able to record decent videos. So to record videos from here, you can just click on the shutter button right here like that, and you can also zoom in with this buttons right here. So if you want to pause it, just click on the shutter button again, and you can go to a different direction and hit the record button once again. And if you want to pause it, just click on the shutter button once again. So once you have recorded the clips that you want, and it will also show the duration of the video at the top part of the screen like that. And just click on this arrow button right here once you have finalized your clips. So I'm just gonna mute the video right here. So like that, you can also reorder the videos by pressing and holding the video clip, turn it like that. But that is actually one of the premium features, so I can do that on the free version that I am using. So once you have finalized your video clips, just click on this plus, the check mark button at the top right corner. So once you go to the next page, you will be shown the video preview of the video that you just created, and it will show the clips side by side. You can just click on the check mark and save it to your photos or gallery, and you can then review the clips that you want to include on the final video. Just click on the check mark, and of course this free version will have a watermark, so you can just hit OK to agree on that, and it will be saving your video. So that is how you can basically pause video recording on iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.